As of December 2025, mirroring your Android phone screen to a Tesla Model 3 infotainment system is primarily done through wireless Android Auto. This feature allows you to cast apps, navigation, music, and more directly onto the Tesla's touchscreen. This video will guide you through the setup process and highlight important aspects of this functionality. First, pair your Android phone with your Tesla via Bluetooth. This connection handles initial setup and audio streaming. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and select your Tesla from the available devices. Next, enable Android Auto in your Tesla's settings. Navigate to the Settings menu on your vehicle's touchscreen and turn on Android Auto to prepare for wireless connection. Wireless Android Auto uses Wi-Fi Direct to mirror your phone's display. Make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on in your phone's settings to establish the secure wireless connection. Finally, open the Android Auto app on your phone and choose the wireless option. This will initiate the mirroring connection using Wi-Fi Direct for a seamless display on your Tesla. Once you've initiated the connection from your phone, a prompt will appear on your Tesla's touchscreen. Confirm the connection to begin mirroring your Android phone screen. The mirrored display will adapt to the Tesla's 15-inch touchscreen, giving you control of supported apps. Once Android Auto is mirrored on your Tesla Model 3, you gain access to popular navigation apps like Google Maps directly on the vehicle's touchscreen. You can also use alternative navigation options like Waze, which provides real-time traffic updates and route suggestions optimized for your drive. Music streaming is seamlessly integrated, allowing you to control Spotify and other audio apps through the Tesla screen for uninterrupted playback. The Tesla's steering wheel buttons provide integrated controls for navigation and media playback, keeping your hands on the wheel. Voice commands through Hey Tesla enable hands-free operation, while end-to-end encryption ensures your data remains secure during mirroring. If you encounter connection issues, ensure both your phone and Tesla have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Check that your phone is connected to a reliable network. On your Tesla, verify that it's connecting to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone for Android Auto to work properly. Restarting both your phone and Tesla can often resolve temporary glitches that prevent a stable connection. Check for software updates on both your phone and Tesla to maintain compatibility and fix known bugs that could cause connection issues. Occasional disconnections may occur in urban areas with dense Wi-Fi networks due to interference. Try moving to a less crowded area or switching networks. Looking ahead, expect deeper smartphone car integration as Tesla plans to fully integrate Android Auto with their upcoming Tesla OS 2.0 by 2027. This will add native screen mirroring for non-Google apps through a proprietary API, going beyond current app-based projections. The widespread adoption of 5G connectivity will further enhance mirroring capabilities. Standard in Model 3s since 2024, 5G enables faster mirroring speeds and seamless real-time data syncing, providing live traffic updates and other dynamic content without noticeable latency. Keep an eye out for emerging features like multi-device mirroring, which could allow tablets or laptops to connect alongside your phone. Additionally, augmented reality overlays on the windshield may provide enhanced navigation and safety information directly in your field of view. Prioritize safety while using Android Auto. Familiarize yourself with the controls before driving. Use voice commands to minimize distractions. Avoid mirroring video streaming apps while driving. By following these guidelines, you can enhance your driving experience while staying safe on the road.